Ever watched a Facebook reel that caught your attention only to lose it after refreshing your feed? Fortunately, Facebook offers a couple of ways to find reels you've recently watched. Depending on the version of the app you're using, you may have a dedicated Watched Reels shortcut, or you can access your viewing history through the activity log. Here's how to use both methods. Method 1. Find recently watched reels using the Reels menu. This is the quickest and easiest option if it's available on your account. Open the Facebook app on your Android phone or iPhone. Tap the Reels icon to enter the Reels feed. At the top right corner, look for either the three-dot menu or your profile picture. If those icons aren't visible, gently swipe up or down on the screen. Facebook often hides the top navigation bar while you're watching videos. Once the menu appears, tap it and select Watched Reels. You'll instantly see a list of the reels you've recently viewed. Simply tap any reel to watch it again, save it, or share it with others. If you don't see the Watched Reels option, don't worry. Facebook is gradually rolling out this feature, so it may not be available for every account yet. Method 2. Use your activity log. The activity log stores your Facebook activity, including the videos you've watched. Open the Facebook app. Tap your profile picture or the three-line hamburger menu in the top right corner. Scroll down and expand Settings and Privacy, then tap Settings. Under the Your Activity section, select Activity Log. Tap your Facebook activity or activity history depending on your app version. Choose your activity across Facebook, select Posts, and then tap Videos you've watched. Facebook will display your watched videos in chronological order, making it easy to find reels you've viewed recently. This method is especially helpful if the direct Reels shortcut isn't available or if you're looking for a reel you watched several days ago. With these methods, you can quickly recover recently watched Facebook Reels and never miss a memorable video again.